It's a cloudy and cooler day for KwaZulu-Natal on Wednesday, with much cooler weather expected in the northeast over the next day or so. But as we head towards the weekend, we're forecasting drier and warmer conditions across South Africa. On our satellite, you'll see a small cold front moving over the southeastern parts on Wednesday, still bringing in some cloud and a few drops of rainfall over the southern part of the country. A thick band of cloud results in cloudy and cool weather for KwaZulu-Natal, and then our satellite shows cumulus cloud development and showers over parts of Lesotho and the Free State on Wednesday morning. There's also a forecast for snowfall over the eastern mountain tops of Lesotho. The skies will start to clear out over the southern part of the country in the second part of the day, but as a high ridge is in over the eastern part of South Africa, it pushes in a large amount of moisture, resulting in overcast weather with a possibility of rainfall, and that extends through to the eastern part of Mpumalanga, with a cooler day in the northeast and a narrow band of thundershowers extending across South Africa's interior. It'll be a fine and dry day as we head further west, though, with warmer conditions expected over the western part of the country. We're forecasting a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern part of the Eastern Cape, with a 60% chance of showers over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and a 40% chance of rainfall over the eastern part of Mpumalanga. Isolated thundershowers extend through to the Free State, with a slight possibility of thundershowers as we head towards Botswana. Light winds are expected over South Africa's interior as well as along the coast between Port Elizabeth and Vredendal. You'll see a fresh easterly offshore component to the wind along the northern Cape coastline, and that results in a warmer day on Wednesday. 24 degrees for Vredendal, a high of around 20 for Cape Town and Springbok. Much cooler as we head towards the Eastern Cape, though, with highs in the upper teens. 18 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, in the low 20s along the KZN coast, as well as for Bombela and Polokwane. 19 for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, and we're expecting cooler weather for Pretoria with a high of 21 degrees. A bit of high cloud overhead and a light easterly wind all the way through to Wednesday night. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum temperature of 9 degrees. Cooling continues for Gauteng on Thursday with the possibility of thundershowers. You'll also see cloudy and wet weather for Bombela and Polokwane, with some rain along the east coast. And then, although we're expecting a few showers still over the northeastern escarpment on Friday, we're expecting drier and warmer conditions across South Africa as we head towards the weekend. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.